Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Learn AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Remaker AI. So once you're inside of Remaker AI, guys, if you haven't got an account, you can quickly create one by simply head over to Remaker.ai and click sign up and sign in the upper right, and you can use your Gmail account to sign in. Now, once you sign in, you'll get 30 credits to get started. That's what they give to you for free so that you can test it out. After you run out of those 30 credits, you can always go ahead and upgrade in terms of buying more credits by clicking on price in the upper right and purchase some credits. If you want to purchase credits, you can also find the link within the description of this video. And of course, if you also want to create your account for free, use the link within the description of this video as well. Now, how do you create YouTube thumbnails? Now, you can go ahead and you can just write something. So you want to search for the AI image generator. Once you sign in, you will most likely see it under the all section. So you can click on the AI image generator. And from here, you can just type in whatever prompt you have, or you can make up something and it's going to create it for you. But I'm going to use, for example, ChatGPT to create something. So you can ask it whatever, right? So I have asked it in the past to make something like this for me. So I just say, for example, give me a prompt that I can use in Remaker AI to create a cool YouTube thumbnail, right? So, and then I'm gonna say the YouTube title, and let's say how to get Canva Pro for free. Let's say that's the title, and just simply hit enter, guys, and it's gonna give you the prompt. Right now, this prompt that it's creating, you want to copy this prompt right here, and you don't have to use ChatGPT. You can write it yourself, or you can use Claude, you can use Grok, you can use Gemini, Copilot, whatever one you want. It's up to you. I just use ChatGPT. And once you're on the section, just simply ensure that you're on the text to image, enter your prompt that you get, or you create, or you write, and choose which of the models you want. In this case, I'm going to choose, for example, the Flux. And you can choose the size. The size is important, and for YouTube thumbnails is 16 by 9, so select that, and you can choose how many thumbnails you want to create. I'm going to choose 2 thumbnails for the purpose here, and simply click and generate. Keep in mind, one thumbnail, it's 8 credits, so if you're just getting started, you might want to just generate one so that you have a few options or your free generations to do, and you can also test out other AI tools. But I'm going to choose 2 generations right here, click and generate, and let's wait for the thumbnail to generate. I'm really impressed with Remaker AI thumbnails, so have a look at these. You might realize that some of these don't have like the nice icons, so you might want to regenerate again if you don't get the right Canva thumbnails that are the Canva logo. If you don't, sometimes it creates good Canva logos, sometimes it doesn't, right? So you want to keep that in mind. So in case it doesn't give you the right Canva logo, you can just regenerate it. Otherwise, this is a really decent one, and all you have to do is just drop your Canva logo right here. So you can download it, drop it in, for example, Canva as well, and add your Canva logo there, or whatever. You can simply add your logo right in it of Canva, and it just turned right into a really nice thumbnail. But the design for the most part, it's really nice. I like it, and that's how you can easily create YouTube thumbnails, guys. So it is very easy and very straightforward. I really hope you found value there, and that's how you create a YouTube thumbnail using Remaker AI, guys.